Hey there, and thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to walk through how to filter keywords in your TikTok direct messages using an Android phone. This feature helps block unwanted messages that contain specific words you choose. Let's go step by step and take full control of your TikTok message privacy. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. Then, select Privacy. Now, scroll down until you see Direct Messages and tap on it. Next, tap on Filtered Keywords. Then, toggle on the Filtered Keywords feature to enable it. After that, you'll see an option to add words you want to block. For example, type Offer, then press Add. Repeat this step for any other keywords you want to filter out from your direct messages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled filtered keywords in TikTok direct messages. This helps you avoid spam or unwanted content.